Welcome back everyone. Today we're reviewing Lovable AI. Lovable AI is an AI-powered no-code platform that allows anyone regardless of coding experience to build and launch fully functional web apps using plain language prompts. It's powered by cutting-edge models like OpenAI, Anthropic, and Gemini, seamlessly integrating with modern backends like Supabase and deployment platforms like Vercel. It has a natural language prototyping which describes your idea, and then scaffolds UI, authentication, database, and deployment in minutes. It offers a Figma-style editor alongside dev mode for direct code tweaks. You own and can export your code anytime, and one-click publish to lovable domains or popular hosts. It has speed and efficiency, beginner-friendly UI, higher quality output, back-end ready, and real-world validations. Although that, users have reported that paid plans use messages or tokens, costs can escalate as complexity grows. Users also reported issues with deep logic, auth bugs, and feature compatibility. AI-generated code sometimes breaks in loops or misses context, forcing frequent reverts. Some complain about cookie-cutter layouts with repetitive aesthetics, and a vulnerability known as vibe scamming reportedly allowed creation of phishing sites via Lovable with low internal safeguards. So, it is best for non-technical founders or designers aiming for rapid MVPs, early-stage startups seeking investor-proof prototypes, or product teams, indie trackers, and educators wanting hands-on, no-code app creation. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.